This is our first earning method. First we will use Canva. You might know Canva is known for editing or for graphics work. It is very good for making designs. Let's create a poster. We will create a design and it's easy to use. Let's see how it works. Hmm. Let's see. You can see there is a good photo to print on a shirt or any other thing, good design. You will download this as PNG and then we will go to Printful. Printful is a website where we can get a shirt or mm, different things. Let's see. Here you can see different designs. Make t-shirts or bags or caps, mugs, phone covers. But we will go here, sell with Etsy. You might also know Etsy, which is known for selling. We have to connect Etsy and Printful so we can sell different things. They charge a small fee and it is easy to connect and easy to sell. There are different examples people are already selling. Look, this for 16.5. Hope you might like this and start doing this.